Welcome to Top Scholars, the smart learning app. Today we will explore the interesting use of the adjectives through a skit. Let us join Miss Teacher and students as they relish their interactive quiz session. Let us participate with them and unwind in the extraordinary world of adjectives. Hello learners! Today we will go on an adventure in the jungle with a story from the Panchatantra called The Lion and the Clever Rabbit. Do you want to save the rabbit from becoming the lion's meal?
Yes!
Once upon a time, in a dense and mysterious jungle, lived a fearsome lion and a clever rabbit. Every year, the animals meet with the lion to offer tribute, selecting one animal from among them. The animals decided that this year the clever rabbit would be paid as tribute to the lion. Top Scholars, an adjective is a part of speech that describes the noun. For example, in the above paragraph, we use the word dense and mysterious to describe the noun jungle. Will you give me more examples?
Fearsome lion
and
clever rabbit.
Yes, the adjectives help us to describe the noun. They usually come before the noun. Sometimes adjectives also come after the noun. For example, the trees in the jungle are tall. The rabbit came up with a clever plan to save himself. The impatient and angry lion roared.
Why are you late? I'm hungry.
Ooh. Students, identify the adjectives from the story to describe the rabbit's plan.
Clever.
Students, identify the adjectives from the story to describe the lion.
Hungry.
We will see in the next part of the video if the clever rabbit saves himself from the fearsome lion.
Yippee!